Good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my today's video and the topic of my day is present perfect continuous tense, Urdu versus English. Well, the tense is already discussed in the previous video, so you can go there and you can check it out. And today I'm going to discuss the translation of Urdu sentences into English of present perfect continuous tense. Before starting this topic, I'll go for the helping verb, that is helping verbs for present perfect continuous tense are has been and have been. Has been is used with singular subjects and have been is used with the plural subjects. Then we also use since and for in this tense. Since is used for exact point of time and for is used for the duration or the period of time. Then sentence structure for this tense is subject plus use of has been or have been plus verb ing, then object and since for. Now coming towards its Urdu identification, so it's same as present continuous tense, that at the end of the sentences we have raha hai, rahe hain, rahi hai, but time is must, that is mentioned already in a sentence. So let me start the translation now. The very first sentence is log subah se sairgah aa rahe hain. Now this subah is the exact point of time. People have been coming to the park since morning. खिलाड़ी 4 बजे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. The players have been playing football since 4 o'clock. Now 4 o'clock is the exact point of time. Then the next sentence is तालिबे इल्म 4 माह से मेहनत कर रहा है. Now the time is not exact, so we will use for here. The student has been working hard for 4 months. लड़कियां 2 साल से कॉलेज आ रही हैं. The girls have been coming to college for 2 years. The girls is plural subject, so have been is used here. Now the time is not exact, so for is used for the duration of time. उस्ताद 8 बजे से पढ़ा रहा है. The teacher has been teaching since 8 o'clock. हम कई घंटे से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. At the end of the sentence we have रहे हैं. We have been waiting for you for several hours. Then next we have वो 1982 से इस मकान में रह रहा है. He has been living in this house since 1982. Exact point of the time, starting point of the time is mentioned here. मल्ला 2 घंटे से अपनी कश्तियाँ छोड़कर नहीं जा रहे हैं. The boatmen have not been leaving their boats for 2 hours. वो 2 दिन से वर्जिश नहीं कर रहा है. He has not been taking exercise for 2 days. शिकारी कई माह से जाल नहीं बिछा रहा है. The hunter has not been setting trap for several months. वो हमें 15 दिन से नसीहत नहीं कर रहे हैं. They have not been advising us for 15 days. क्या बच्चा 2 बजे से खिलौनों के साथ खेल रहा है? Has the child been playing with toys since 2 o'clock? अमीर आदमी कब से आराम कर रहा है? Since when has the rich man been taking rest? ये बच्चा 3 दिन से दवाई क्यों नहीं खा रहा है? Why has this child not been taking medicine for 3 days? क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त अक्टूबर से तुम्हारी मदद कर रहे हैं? Have your friends been helping you since October? मैं 3 बजे से वक्त ज़ाया कर रही हूँ. I have been wasting my time since 3 o'clock. बशीर 7 बजे से कौन सी कहानी लिख रहा है? Which story has Bashir been writing since 7 o'clock? So this was all about Urdu versus English of present perfect continuous tense. Now it's time for quiz. The first sentence is मुसाफिर शाम से सफ़र नहीं कर रहे हैं. बच्चे 3 दिन से शरारत कर रहे हैं. हम 1930 से इस घर में रह रहे हैं. क्या वो 20 मिनट से कहानी सुना रहा है? Now without wasting a single moment, just go for your answers and I'll check them in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.